In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a vignette effect for your pictures, images, or even photos in Pixlr Online completely for free in less than 2 minutes. Let's get right into it. Open up a new browser and type in pixlr.com. Now you may need to sign in by clicking right here on the top right hand screen, or you can use your email. Once signed in or loaded, you want to click Pixlr Editor. If you don't know how to get there, you can also open up a new tab and type this or paste this on the screen. Once here, open up your image. First step is to unlock your image or your picture by clicking the lock icon. The next step is to go under to filter next to adjustment and view and scroll down until you see the option vignettes. Once loaded, you can drag this to the left and notice it adds a white vignette. And if you drag this to the right, it adds a dark or a black vignette, and you can click apply. And this is what we have. Or should I say this is the before? And this is the after. If you want to see more free tutorials like this, drop this video a like, comment down below, share the video, and follow for more.